Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening System Protection because that's where Restore Points live. Make sure you're an administrator first. Once ready, press Start, type, create a Restore Point, and open the Matching Control Panel entry. You'll see Protection Settings. This lists drives and whether protection is on. Select the system drive, usually C, then click Configure. This reveals current disk usage and whether Restore is enabled. This first step confirms existence and scope of Restore Points before you look at the actual list. Next, you launch the System Restore wizard to view the actual Restore Points. Click System Restore, then hit Next. Windows will present a chronological list of available points with descriptions and dates. This is how you pick one. Make sure to select Show More Restore Points if available, because some are hidden. Once you pick a candidate, you scan for affected programs to see what will be removed or restored. This helps you decide whether the point includes the necessary system state or drivers you need back. Finally, choose the restore point that matches the date and description you want, click Next, then Finish to begin. Your PC will restart and apply the restore. Make sure to save work because the process reboots automatically. If no points are listed, return to System Protection and enable protection or increase disk space. That creates future points. If a restore fails, try Safe Mode or the Windows Recovery environment to run System Restore there. This often bypasses interfering drivers or...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.